Hello there, welcome to How Cool Optimize. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to generate winning variants, winning messaging or positioning ideas that can help you to achieve your website goals and to improve your website conversion rates, right? And it's actually very simple. You just go onto this Get Started sections and then click on Generate Variants with AI, right? And then just enter the page URL where you want to run experiments on, open website. And then here it will pop up a visual editor to help you select the element that you want to test against. And for this example, I'm just going to select our hero text, right? And then let us know what is the page type of the page where you want to run experiments. And then you also need to give a little bit of context to the AI about your product, about what the page is about, so that it can help you to craft a messaging that is more relevant and engaging for your audience. And for this example, I'm just going to keep it very simple, an AI powered A/B testing platform with the fastest variant loading speed. Right. And then lastly, for the tone, right, you can also choose whether you want a casual tone or you want a professional tone, or if you have identified any high profile name, you can also use that name to guide AI to craft messaging that sounds like that person, right? So the AI will try to use the terms or words that this person will likely to use. So it will make the messaging more lively, more natural, and is more likely to resonate better with your audience, right? Like for example, maybe we can try Steve Jobs, right? And then just click on create variants, and then the AI will start generate a list of ideas to help you improve the hero test. All right, here we go. So the AI has generated a list of ideas to improve our hero text. And then you can see that this copy think different text faster. It indeed sounds like what Steve Jobs would say, right? So that's how you can use AI to help you to come up copywriting messaging that can resonate better with your audience, right? And then if you like the copy, you can add it to the bucket to, like for example, I want to test this copywriting, so I can add to bucket, and then this will be my first variant. And then maybe, okay, maybe this one, speed matters, right? So this would be my second variant for my experiments, right? And then you can also train the AI to give you copy that aligns with your branding, aligns with your positioning, by telling the AI that I want more copy like this, or if you don't want the AI to give you similar copy like this, you can also tell the AI here, right? So once you finalize on the variants that you want to test against, you can go on to click on this create experiments, and then the AI will automatically help you to generate the variants for your experiments. So you don't need to make any changes to your website. The AI will do it for you, right? And then the next thing that you need to do is just to specify your audience for the experiments, as well as to define the experiments goals, right? So that is how easy you can use AI to set out your experiments. And in the next video, I will walk you through how to specify your audience as well as to define your experiments goal, right? So I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.